papaya smoothie, guys. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. The children will love it. Alright? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a papaya smoothie. Alright, so I have here in a bowl cut up roughly half of a medium papaya, one red banana. They are not frozen. I have some orange juice that I'm gonna use today because these fruits are not that sweet, so I can also use orange juice. This is the no sugar added orange juice, and I have some cube ice that I'm gonna be using my blender. So I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Banana, that aside, my cube ice. And then I'm gonna add the orange juice. Alright guys, I'm gonna cover it and I'm going to blend. Cover and then I'm going to blend. And there we have it guys, all done, all done, all done. I remove this and I'm gonna just it now aside. Papaya smoothie. Look at that guys. That's awesome. That's tasting delicious guys. Yes guys, go ahead and try the smoothie. You will love it. Papaya is very nutritious for the body. So go ahead and try this smoothie. Guys, let me give you some benefits of papaya. According to Google, papaya contains high level of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Diets high in antioxidants may reduce the risk of heart disease. So you see guys, it's very important that if you don't like to eat papaya, you can also drink it in a smoothie. Alright, it's very healthy, very nutritious. My papaya smoothie guys, go ahead and try it. You will love it. The children will love it. Alright, awesome. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment and what you think about this nice smoothie. Okay guys, alright, so until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye. My papaya smoothie.